Honestly, I don't even know what to say to you. If you're a content creator and you're still not making use of AI to make your life easy, I honestly don't know what to say to you. All I can say is that, my dear, you're missing out big time. Now, this video, we're going to be talking about AI for content creation growth. So if you're a content creator and you find AI very confusing, you don't even understand how are content creators literally using AI to make their life easy, this video is for you. So make sure you sit tight, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification bell so you do not miss out on any of my amazing video in the future. We'll be talking about 5 key agenda, how AI can help your life as a content creator in just 5 ways. There are different ways, obviously, okay, but let's just talk about only 5 ways. So the first one is idea generation. Second one is script writing. The third one is title generation. The fourth one is SEO. The fifth one is editing. Now let's start with idea generation. So you can literally tell AI to come up with ideas for you, and it will literally come up with ideas in seconds. Now, another thing I'm going to be doing in this video is to give you some prompts in each of these agenda. And before I even move further, this particular video that I'm filming for you, oh my god, I literally just snapped this thing. I snapped my video agenda and video topic, snapped it, gave it to Gemini AI, and Gemini AI literally talked about everything that has to do with what my agenda is about. Even me too, I was wowed. I didn't even have to stress myself. But obviously, as a content creator, I had to tweak their words, the things, the information they were giving to me. I had to arrange it and tweak it to my own voice, to my own style. I can't just copy them word for word. So please, when you are using AI to work, if you want to be an authentic content creator that people will love, don't go and be copying internet word for word. Just get ideas from them and tweak it to the way that you actually communicate. So when it comes to idea generation, here is a prompt. Now this one is majorly centered on my second YouTube channel, where I mostly talk on beauty, skincare, anything related to beauty. So in this prompt, I said, over the past few years, I have noticed that my YouTube audience is majorly interested in dash content. I have noticed that my YouTube audience is majorly interested in skincare products that will actually help them to get rid of a dull looking skin. Please, can you come up with at least 10 YouTube video ideas that they will love to watch? And then I also added in this prompt that you can also gather inspiration from fellow YouTubers that post similar content in my niche and that my audience type loves. Now, this prompt is going to help them, first of all, understand that, okay, any content idea they are going to give to me is going to be focused on targeting skincare lovers that wants to have glowing skin. That's the first thing. So, number 2 that they will ensure is that they will give you at least 10 number, different ideas. That's number 2. Now, I also included that, okay, fine, they can gather other fellow inspiration from my fellow YouTubers. What they will now do is they will now narrow it down to YouTube and look for YouTubers that also talks about how to get glowing skin, and they will now pick out content and then give it to you. So have you seen how I just made use of these prompts to narrow down what I need? Now you need to understand that you can actually tweak it as you want. You can tell them that, please, can you make it more specific? Can you make it more clear? Or you can say, please, can you give me extra 20 different ideas aside the 10 that you have provided? It will give you another 20. The way it comes to AI, just know that AI is there to make your life easy, but you have to be smart about it. Okay, now here's another prompt that you can make use of. You can say, brainstorm 5 controversial or attention-grabbing content ideas on the topic/niche that will get people talking so much in my comment section. These are for people that wants to boost engagement, content engagement. So that is another prompt. Then another prompt you can make use of is, I want to film a TikTok video using dash brand product/service. Please, can you come up with 5 viral content ideas and be sure to include some attention grabbing hooks, call to action, B-rolls, and talking points, and so on. So that is another prompt that you can make use of. Now there's something I want to do. I want to read this thing word for word. He said, so instead of racking your brain for hours, you can feed AI a topic, a niche, or even just a general theme, and it will spit out a wealth of ideas for you. Pro tip, don't just copy and paste. Use AI as a springboard. It helps you break through creative blocks and gives you a starting point, which is often the hardest part. You see this thing I just read? You see that the thing fits very well in this video, although I copied it word for word. You're going to think, oh, okay, this is the next word that came to our own head naturally. But no. Now let's move to script writing. Honestly speaking, this is one of the, should I say, AI is one of the best gifts the universe has given to me. Because I remembered before when AI was not yet popular, when I don't make use of AI for content creation, I would be searching through the internet. I'll be searching for one blog to another. I'll be watching one YouTube video to another. I'll be watching one TikTok video to another. I'll be watching one Instagram video to another. It's tiring and it is time consuming. But with AI, I can just tell, like, when it comes to generating scripts, I can just tell AI that on the topic, I want to film a YouTube video that is on this particular topic. Please, can you write a script for me? You can use it to write script. Now, like I mentioned earlier, that this particular video was literally scripted from A to Z by Gemini AI. I said that I just snapped the agenda. I just snapped my video agenda and the video title, and then I posted it to AI. What I typed in was, I said, with the image above, please write a very well detailed YouTube video for me. And AI literally wrote this particular YouTube video for me from A to Z. But the only thing that I did was, I'm not saying things word for word. I'm only picking out certain information or certain words that I want. Now here is one I love using for my skincare YouTube video. I actually have a second YouTube channel where I talk about skincare, beauty, like everything beauty related. So I will write that, write a full and detailed review on the Dash skincare products. So let's say it's a particular brand vitamin C serum. You say, write a full and detailed review on the Dash, that's this brand vitamin C skincare products. What it's going to do is it's going to help you fetch information from across the web, across the internet and other social media platforms, and it is going to give you what people are talking about, what this product is all about. You can always go deeper. One of the ways I go deeper is I will now ask that AI that, okay, what are the key ingredients found here, and what are the benefits of this key ingredient, and at what percentage are these ingredients formulated. So you can always go further. Now the next one is using AI to come up with content title or content topic. My own scenario now, I already have an idea of, okay, I want to film a video on AI for content creation growth. I can still ask AI to come up with topics, maybe topics that are clickable, like they should help me to write a good title. Yeah, exactly. This is where you use AI to actually write a good title, attention grabbing, eye catching title that will get people to click on your video. Now the next one is SEO, search engine optimization. There are different ways you can utilize AI for search engine optimization or SEO. The first one is keyword research. Let's say you tell AI to generate a list of 20 high volume, low competition keywords for a YouTube video about, you already know what your topic is all about Dash. Bring in your keyword in. Let's say when you're talking, maybe one of the keyword is AI for content creation. As I'm saying AI for content creation, YouTube is actually grabbing this as a keyword. You can put your keyword when you're talking, as you're talking in that your video. That is how YouTube knows keyword in this video, relevant keyword. Another place you can place your keyword is in your thumbnail. Yes. Another place you can place your keyword is in your title. Yes, your video title. Another place you can place your keyword is in your video description. Now the next one is to write video description. This is a prompt you can use. You can say, write a compelling YouTube video description for a video titled, you write your video title, including a summary of the video, a call to action, that is CTA, and incorporating keywords like, let's say they've given you one keyword like AI for content creators. So you say, and incorporating keywords like AI for content creators, this, that, the amount of keywords you wanted to incorporate. So it is now going to help you to write that video description. So you now go to that video description, know what and what you want to omit, what do you want to remove, what do you want to replace, or is it perfect like that? Did they write it perfectly for you? Is it in your own test? So you now use that for your own video description. Another way you can use AI for SEO is video tags. Okay, you can say, this is a prompt. You can say, suggest 15 relevant YouTube tags for a video about, you write your video topic, considering popular search terms and related concepts. They are going to give you video tags. Then there's a place in YouTube where you can add tags to your video. Tags also assist when it comes to discovering your video on YouTube. So this is just all I'm going to say as regards SEO, search engine optimization. Now let's move on to the fifth agenda, which is video editing. Now you might know, maybe, or you don't even know, that you can use AI to edit your video. I will not be able to go in depth into that, but just know that you can use AI to remove fluffs. Let's say in your videos you're always saying instead of you to now start watching the video from beginning to the end, you can use AI platforms like Riverside, Opus Clip, Descript, and so on. These are just three AI video editing platforms that you can use. So you can just check it out and know which one best suits you. So you can use, let's say, Riverside, for example, to edit your video. It will bring, like all these things I'm saying, it is going to bring it in form of a text for you. Then you tell them to edit out fluff. It is going to help you to edit out fluff, like all these pauses. You see the way I paused? If you want it to remove all those pause, it will help you to remove it, all those pause. Easy, you've edited your video. You are not even going to do too much. And another thing you can use all these video editing AI platforms to do is, like this YouTube video now, you can use it to trim it down, bring out 10 different like short form videos that maybe you will now post it on your YouTube short, or you post it on TikTok, or you post it on Instagram. That's another thing, or that's another way you can use AI video editing platforms or software. So guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to like my video. Okay, give my video a very big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell, very vital, so that you will not miss out when next I upload amazing valuable content like this. So in the meantime, you can follow this link to watch this video YouTube specifically recommends to you based on your interest. So guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.